Simple array sum. Given an array of integers, find the sum of its elements. For example, if the array AR is 1, 2, 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, so return 6. Function description. Complete the simple array sum function in the editor below. It must return the sum of the array elements as an integer. Simple array sum has the following parameters. AR means an array of integers. Okay, input format. The first line contains an integer n, denoting the size of the array. The second line contains n space separated integers representing the array's elements. So for constraints 0 less than n, ARI is less than or equal to 1000. Output format. Print the sum of the array's elements as a single integer. Sample input. So for 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, the sample output will be 31 because for explanation, we print the sum of the array's elements 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11, which is equal to 31. And for this problem, I'm going to use C. Right, let's start. Okay, so for my explanation for this code. So this C program determines the total number of items in an array. It declares some required variables first, then it asks the user, which is myself, to enter the array's element count. It then defines a size n array to hold the input values. The following step involves scanning each member of the array and adding it to the sum variable using a for loop. The sum of all the array's components is printed as a final result.